Hey guys, it's your girl Cassandra here at Koeppel Mazda, and today we want to take you behind the scenes to a segment that we call What's in the Box. Come along. And today we got Khalil.
What's up, guys?
All right, tell us why you chose this box.
So, very simple setup. It's a U.S. General box from Harbor Freight. I chose the color blue because that's my favorite color. I also chose this box because it's very small. However, it's not too large, so it's very easy to move around a lot. Also very easy to keep stationary.
All right, so tell me what you have in your drawers here. Let's start here.
So right here, we just got some simple tools. Simple Phillips head, flats head. We got some cutters here. And this guy is our plastic remover tool. If you guys ever get into a situation where you guys gotta take out anything plastic, this is a really good tool. Make sure that you don't scratch any metals.
Now what's
right here?
Hold up. What's this little guy?
So this guy is to check the tread on the tires. So this measured in 30 seconds. So you pretty much just put the tire here and it measures life of the tire.
Nice.
Pretty cool.
Nice.
All right. Right here, moving down, we got our ratchets and extensions. I got a whole line here, whole line here. These right here, difference between these is this is for the ratchet, this is for your impact gun. You can see this one's chrome, this one's black. So that's how you tell the difference. Other than that, just regular stuff. These are my vice grips, regular handy tools here. And last box right here. If we go all the way down, see this is my electric ratchet. Makes ratcheting 5 times quicker. It's a monkey wrench in case I don't have that right socket or the right number. This guy is adjustable, so that's pretty cool too. This is my pick. If you guys gotta get any connectors out or any clips, I should say, this is really helpful.
I see you have your safety goggles here.
Yes, I do. Safety first. Make sure you always have your safety goggles on. Always use these all the time.
And then also you have this little guy.
Yes, this little guy right here. So this is my electric digital thermometer, and what this basically does is diagnoses the temperature of customers' vehicles. So if a customer was to ever come in and if they were to have the heat on but it wasn't blowing hot, we would press that guy in there and it pretty much just tells us the temperature of that, and then we could further diagnose the car from there. So this is pretty cool. And other than that, that's it.
Now I notice you have this red car here in a few places.
Yes,
Tell us about this beauty.
So this is my 2003 Nissan 350Z. I got it in Pennsylvania back in 2020. It had like about 103 miles on it. It's been my baby ever since. This is what it looked like when I first got it. And this is kind of a half picture of what it looks like now. So I drive it all the time, drive it on the weekends. I bring it into the shop, making sure that I'm doing everything that I need to do to keep it uptight.
I like what you did here. Is this supposed to be you with your car?
Yes, it is.
Where you got that from?
It is supposed to be. I got it on Instagram. There was this guy that does these little things. You got a picture of yourself and a picture of your car, and then he puts the two together.
Nice.
So I thought it was pretty cool, so I put that up there.
Now, before we get into anything else,
Yes, ma'am.
I think you have a little second baby right there.
I do. So if we come over here, we got our little moving cart. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, very simple. It's got a pry bar here. We got a few electric tools, hammer if I need to do brakes. This is a whiz wheel in case we get into any rusty situations where we gotta cut something out. And this right here, this is my favorite tool, my impact gun. You know, it's very loud, sounds really cool. This also gets the job done. Anything rusty, anything that's too tight on, that can get the job done.
All right, so I've seen these before.
Yes.
So tell me exactly what this little guy does.
So what this is a U.S. General magnet to match with the box. This guy is really helpful. What we do is whenever we're working on cars and whenever we have to pick something up, take bolts out, nuts, anything like that, we just stick them on here. It's really helpful. Make sure that nothing gets lost.
It's pretty strong.
Yeah, it's really strong. So make sure that nothing gets lost. So that way it just makes work a lot easier. We're not finding anything, you know, we're not like searching around for our nuts and bolts and anything like that. So definitely the magnet keeps everything intact.
Nice, dope. That's crazy.
All right.
Nice. I like that. Well, thank you, Khalil, so much for sharing us
very
your
welcome.
box.
Very welcome.